How to replay disappearing photo on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to replay disappearing photo on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if your Instagram app is still not updated, then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. And then, once you have updated your Instagram app, open it and sign in with your account. Make sure to click on the message button found on the upper right corner of the screen and then go to the chat where you can see the disappearing photo. So before we proceed, I would like you to know that you may only replay a disappearing photo once. So go ahead on that chat, view that photo by clicking on it, and then once you have viewed it, you may only replay it once. So you may click it again to replay the photo, and then, as you can see now, once you have viewed it twice already, or you have viewed it, you have replayed it once, it will be grayed out. And then if that button will be grayed out, then that means you may not be able to see that photo once again. So that's it. That's how you can replay disappearing photo on Instagram. So again, you may only replay a disappearing photo once. So in total, you may only watch that photo twice. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.